hitting it out of the park. Understanding, home run. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a popular phrase in the English language, home run. Whether you've heard it in a sports context or as a metaphor in everyday speech, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear grasp on what it means and how to use it. Originally, the term home run comes from the sport of baseball. In baseball, when a batter hits the ball out of the playing field on the fly, allowing him or her to run all the bases and score without any interruptions, it's called a home run. It's one of the most exciting and game-changing plays in the sport. Visual image of a baseball player hitting a ball and it flying out of the stadium with the crowd cheering. In English, we often use sports terms in everyday language to convey broader meanings. The term home run is no exception. When someone says they hit a home run in a context outside of baseball, they mean they did something exceptionally well or had a major success. Examples: your presentation was a home run means the presentation was outstanding. She really hit a home run with that new product idea. Suggests that the product idea was a big success. Home run has been integrated deeply into American culture, and you might come across it in movies, songs, and literature. Remember, whenever you hear or read this phrase, it's not always about baseball. It could be about achieving something significant or outstanding. Visual image collage of movie scenes, books, or songs referencing home run. When learning English, it's essential to be aware of terms that might sound similar but have different meanings. For instance, home run versus homeward run. While home run refers to the sports term or metaphorical success, homeward run simply means running towards home. There you have it. The next time you hear someone mention a home run, you'll know whether they're talking about baseball or celebrating a significant achievement. We hope this video has been enlightening. Keep practicing, and soon, understanding these phrases will be a home run for you. See you next time.